Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we are having boiled yam and stew for lunch. You can also enjoy this for dinner. I already have my yams peeled, cut and washed thoroughly. Then into a pot I add some boiled water. I'm using boiled water because I already have that. You can use cold water. I added some salt to the pot for taste and then add the washed yam. I will then cover the pot and allow to cook until soft. While the yam is cooking, I'll go ahead to make the stew. Into my dry pot, I add some vegetable oil and also some palm oil. You can use either only the palm oil or the vegetable oil. When the oil is hot enough, I'll go ahead and add some sliced onions. Fry and stir for about a minute or two. I also added a teaspoon of garlic paste to it. After stir frying the onions for about 2 minutes, it is now time to add our tomato mix. I have boiled tomatoes, bell peppers and scotch bonnet peppers which I blended. I boiled and blended them and that's why it's that thick. Then I will mix and stir it very well before adding other spices or ingredients. I seasoned the stew with a teaspoon of thyme, curry powder, 2 tablespoons of crayfish powder, and 1 seasoning cube. The seasonings you are using depends on the quantity of the stew you are making. And while I'm using only 1 cube here, I have stock which I'm going to add, and the stock already has salt and some seasonings also. After stirring in the seasonings, I'll then cover and allow to cook for about 7 minutes or more. And now our stew is well fried. It is now time to add water or stock depending on what you're going to use, and also any protein if you're going to use any one. For this one I'm using chicken stock, so I just added the chicken stock. I'll stir and also add some boiled chicken wings which I have. You can use any protein of your choice. I'm very okay with the taste of the stew, very delicious. I'll cover and allow it to cook for about 5 or 6 minutes more so that the chicken and the sauce can merge. Then we check on our yam. Our yam is cooked. Off our gas. I will drain the water in the yam so that it will not become too soft. And then let's check on our stew. Our stew is also cooked. All that is left for now is to serve it. Okay, let's go and eat off the gas too. And here we have our boiled yam and the stew ready. So let's serve and eat. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share it. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.